Hi, my name is Yolanda Mercy and I am a writer performer from London. I first started off in theatre where I developed my practice through making a solo show called Quarter Life Crisis, which then went on to Edinburgh Fringe and led to me then working within television. My first television project, BBW, was nominated for a BAFTA, a WGGB award, as well as a broadcast award. More recently, I have made a theatre show called Failure Project, which won the Edinburgh Fringe Festival's Bestie Award. My practice within theatre has very much informed and supported my practice for television, which is why I'm super honoured and excited to be working at NYU as the instructor for writing the TV pilot. As a writer-performer from London, born and bred, it's my city, it's my home, so I really welcome the opportunity to be able to work with students, creators, collaborators who haven't been to London before and want to know more about it. So the chance to work with NYU, to welcome the students to the UK maybe for their first time, to be able to figure out what it means to be able to create and to be immersed in the creative industries, especially the TV writing industry, is the reason why I worked for NYU, and I'm very excited to be working for NYU. The students' learning experience, especially on my program, they get hands-on experience into what it means to be working as a television writer today. As part of that, the students get to go to production companies as well as find out more about current programs that are happening, writers' rooms, pitching, and also how to develop their idea from idea to be able to get to a scripted point. All of it is done through the system of which we use within the UK, which slightly differs from the US. So I found that it's really great for the students to learn a different way of working, and also opening up the world for them of not just thinking about making work in the US, but also thinking about the UK as a creative place to be able to call home. What excited me about this program was the opportunity to be able to work with students who know a bit about television, students who don't know that much about television, students who wanted to learn about television from the UK perspective. As a writer and a creative born and raised in the UK, for me, I've learned a lot about the UK system. Over recent years, I've worked between the UK, the US and Australia. That's provided me with a chance to be able to learn different ecosystems of how work is created. What I wanted to do for this course was to be able to break down those barriers of access for students who might not know what it's like to be able to work in the UK, and further their practice by helping them to learn practical skills and tools of what it means. The program that I lead, a lot of the feedback I've had is about how hands-on it is. So week by week I'll set student tasks, so be that watching TV shows, be that looking at shows that started off within theatre. Within the UK we have a strong theatre tradition, and a lot of theatre writers go on to write television. So what will happen is you'll see a play on the stage, and then within a few years' time they're also on screen. So as part of my course I also help students to look at how would a writer adapt their work from theatre to be able to make it to a TV series, and what would that look like? So we have practical sessions within that. We also have practical sessions where we will do writers' rooms and pitching. Not only that, but on my course the students are also offered mentors. Those mentors are fellow writers, producers who are working in the industry, and directors. This is a chance for them to be able to understand a different perspective of what it means to be a creative in London today. Ooh, a standout moment. I think there's so many, and I would definitely say for me it's meeting the students, if I'm honest. I've really enjoyed meeting students who have come to my course, who said they picked the selective, they wanted to find out more around like what it means to write in the UK, and have left being like they don't want to leave the UK, they want to work in the UK. I'm like, come back, we want you. And it's just been great to kind of connect with them and see their progression. People who might have not been confident at the beginning about their ideas or speaking out loud in class are now able to go away and go, hey, look, I've got an idea for this TV show, this TV show, this TV show, and also feel confident in pitching that. And I think those are my stand-up moments, seeing the progression and growth of fellow writers. Even though you are a student, you're a writer. And I think seeing people own that, and I feel really privileged to be in a space where I get to support the student writers to be able to do that.